Good morning! Welcome to day 15 of 30-day morning yoga challenge. Third week of the challenge already. If you're still practicing yoga every morning, good job! You should be really proud of yourself. Let's begin today with a feet stretch. Tuck your toes underneath and sit back to your heels. Make sure you take your pinkies out of the way. Sit up tall here and just breathe. I know that for many of you this position will not be very comfortable, but as long as you don't have any knee, ankle injuries and you don't feel any sharp pain, this is a great stretch for your feet. Try to concentrate on the breath. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Release your toes, point your feet now, sit back to your heels. Place your right hand to the side, lift your left arm up and over to the right into side bend. Take a big inhale. Exhale, release your left hand to the side. Reach your right arm up and over to the left. Take a big inhale. And exhale, release your right hand down. Make your way to tabletop position, hands and knees. Lift your right knee up and circle your hip out. Then a few times to another direction. Keep your knee bent and lift your leg up to the side and lower down. Lift your knee and lower down. Keep going 3 more times like this, really activating the glutes here. Straighten your right leg out to the side, lower your foot down, and then rock your hips back and forth a few times, stretching the inner thighs and groin. Try to sit all the way back towards your left heel. The bigger the distance between your left knee and right foot, the bigger the stretch usually on the inner thighs. With your next inhale, lift your left arm up to the sky. Exhale, stretch the arm underneath your right armpit. Lower your left shoulder down. Keep your right hand as it is or reach your arm up to the sky. Rotating your chest a bit more up to the ceiling. Slowly unthread your arm. Take your right leg back into tabletop and we will repeat the same on the other side. Circle your left hip out a few times in one direction. And then a few times in the other direction. Keep your knee bent and lift it up to the side. Squeeze in the glutes each time as you lift your knee. One more time, lift your knee as high as you can. And release. Straighten your left leg out to the side, bring your foot down and then rock back and forth a few times, moving your hips forward and back towards your right heel. Inhale, lift your right arm up. Exhale, lower your right shoulder down. Left hand stays on the mat, or maybe the arm reaches up to the sky. Release your left hand down and make your way up to tabletop position. Then lay down to your belly. Point your feet, reach your arms back and alongside the body. With inhale, lift everything you can from the mat. Exhale, release down to the mat. Inhale, lift. Exhale, release. 3 more. Keep going with your breath. Inhale, lifting. Exhale, releasing down to the mat. Last time, lift. Pause for a moment. And release down. Position your forearms down on the mat, elbows underneath your shoulders for Sphinx pose. Press your forearms into the mat, pull your chest forward and up between your upper arms. Try to squeeze the shoulder blades closer together. Position your left forearm parallel to the front of the mat. Bend your right leg and reach back with your right hand. Press the heel down towards the sit bones, stretching the quads, the front of your right thigh. Release your right foot and switch to the other side. Right forearm on the mat, left knee bent, and left hand presses the heel down towards the mat. Release this foot, press yourself up to your hands and knees, and then bring your legs forward in front of you. Keep your left leg on the mat, bend your right knee, and bring your shin to the chest as close as you can. You can hold it in any way that feels comfortable. Hold your right leg and rock it side to side a few times. Release your right ankle to your left knee, bend your left leg and bring your shin as close to your chest as you can, hands up behind on the mat for support. You should feel some stretch on the outside of your right hip, maybe on the glutes. The closer shin is to the chest, the deeper the stretch will be. Release your right leg to the mat, bring your left shin in front of your chest, and then rock this leg side to side a few times. Release your left ankle over right knee, bend your right leg. Find position on this side where you feel that outer hip stretch. Release your legs and cross them for a simple cross-legged sit. Inhale, lengthen your spine, lift your chest. Exhale, fall down to your legs, walk your hands forward, cross-legged forward, bend for a moment. Take a big inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Make your way back to cross-legged sit. Sit up straight. Inhale, reach arms up overhead. Exhale, palms to your heart. Thank you for practicing with me today and in the past 2 weeks. We still have 2 weeks to go, but I hope you can already feel some differences in your body and mind when you start your mornings with yoga. I wish you a great day today and see you tomorrow for day 16.